Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up HAVIT HV-1200ZJ Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS Push Button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. Basically, the HAVIT HV-1200ZJ is a dual-band Wi-Fi range extender designed to boost your existing wireless signal. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, plug the HAVIT HV-1200ZJ into a wall socket near the router for the initial setup. Wait for the extender's power LED to turn on and stabilize. This may take 30 to 60 seconds. If the power LED flashes rapidly or stays off, try a different outlet or press the power button if present. On the router, find WPS label or 2-arrow icon. On many routers it's a physical button, on some it's a software button, and the router web interface physical is easiest. Press the router's WPS button once, or press hold for 2 seconds if the manual says so. You should see a WPS LED start to blink, or the router's UI will indicate WPS is active. WPS mode stays open for a short window. You must press the extender's WPS within this window. Now on the HAVIT extender, find the WPS button and the WPS/signal LED, check label or manual if unsure. Note the extender's LEDs so you can interpret success/failure later. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS, press the WPS button on the HAVIT HV-1200ZJ. Press and hold for about 2 to 3 seconds, follow any label instructions. The extender's WPS/link LED should start blinking. This means it's attempting to pair with the router. Wait 30 to 90 seconds while the two devices exchange credentials. Successful pairing indications: typical extender WPS/signal LED becomes solid or changes to a steady color, green/blue, or shows a strong signal icon. Router WPS LED may stop blinking or turn solid. If LEDs show red, keep blinking, or return to previous state after 2 minutes, the pairing failed. Setup complete. Your HAVIT HV-1200ZJ Wi-Fi range extender is now successfully connected using the WPS button. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.